I'm Donovan.
I'm LonDen.
And this is The Hair Game. So we're here in the Salon Republic, Santa Monica on 2nd. And LonDen, what are you going to show us today?
So today we're going to be doing a classic set of lashes, and also we're going to be demonstrating the Hydrojelly electrolyzed masks.
Ooh, so how does that help someone when they get the facial?
Well, the electrolyzed masks are formulated from algae, so they're naturally very soothing, very hydrating, and moisturizing.
All right, so we're about to get started. Now, LonDen, what's your first step in getting this whole process going here?
So the first step is I'm going to prep her eyes for her lash application. We want to make sure we've got everything down the way that we want it to be down before we put on our mask. Okay, now that we have our foundation laid for our prep for your lash extensions, we're going to go ahead with your mask, okay? So we're going to be using the Egyptian Rose today. It's great for anti-wrinkle, moisture retention, and hydration. And it has actual Egyptian rose petals in it. It smells amazing.
And what all is in this facial mask besides the Egyptian rose petals?
So every mask is formulated from algae, so they are all naturally hydrating and moisturizing to the skin, but they're also formulated with different additives. So this one is the Egyptian rose, so the additive is Egyptian rose, but they have tons of other ones. I think they're out about 20 now. My favorite is the Himalayan white tea because it's antiseptic and anti-breakout. So if you have little blemishes or things underneath the skin that are starting to form, you can go ahead and pop that on and it'll kind of halt the process.
All right, so LonDen's getting started here. Now, LonDen, what is the difference between a classic set and a volume set? Because we had Brittany in an earlier video, here's the link up in the corner. She did a natural volume set, so you're doing a classic, correct?
Correct.
What's the difference?
Well, the main difference in a classic or volume set is the number of lashes that are attached to one natural lash. So a classic set like I'm doing today, I'm taking one lash extension and I'm attaching it to one individual natural lash. With a volume set, you're taking a cluster of lashes, fusing them together in a fan formation and attaching that fan formation to one natural lash to give the illusion of more density.
And so how do you know which one will look better on your face?
Really, it just comes down to personal preference.
Okay.
I know a lot of people, they like to start with classic because no matter what you start with, it's going to be a drastic difference from your natural lashes. So a lot of people start with classic and then make their way slowly into volume. A lot of people switch off. I myself, sometimes I like volume, sometimes I like classic. So it just depends on what you like personally.
Okay.
I am a woman, not here to please you. It's time to move on, cause my time is now. I am a woman, play by my own rules. I got my 2 feet on solid ground. And then I take the first step, a million more. And I make mistakes I never made before. But either way, I know I made up my mind. I'm through feeling scared, I'm leaving all that behind. So I'm gonna let it shine on you. Make room for everything that's true. Do whatever I wanna do. And then I let it shine on you.
Okay, so LonDen, now tell me, when someone is looking for a lash artist, when they're searching online at the pictures, doing research, what should they be looking for? What's the difference between a good lash artist and a bad one?
Well, firstly, it's always a great idea to do your due diligence, do your research, search around. Don't just go for the first available lash artist that you find. You really want to make sure that you understand what that lash artist focuses on. I know a lot of lash artists just focus on lashing every single lash available, and that's not always what's best for your natural lashes. I personally like to focus on proper isolation to maintain the health of your natural lashes and on giving you the shape that you want as well.
All right, so LonDen just put on the final touches, doing a check. How long is this gonna last?
So we typically can go for classic between 2 and 3 weeks before you need to come in and get your lashes refilled. You're going to go through a natural lash shedding process, so you're going to naturally lose some of your extensions.
So you're going to finish that up, and then we're going to peel off that facial mask, aren't we?
Yes,
Oh, I
we
can't
are.
wait. I've been waiting the whole time. Ooh, those nails help peel it off, don't they?
They do. Not gonna
Yeah.
lie.
I'm gonna let it shine on you. Don't need no savior, no helping hand.
Oh, wow. You can see the difference in skin tone from where the mask was. That's amazing.
We know we will survive.
There you go.
Am I beautiful?
That's your face.
Yes.
Usually when I do my facials, I cover your entire face, your lips, and your eyes as well. So when it peels off, it's a complete impression of your face.
That's cool. And then they take it home and scare their children. Okay, so LonDen, they're all. Did I say the right name last time?
I think so. I was thinking about what I was
Did
supposed
I
to
say
say. in my-
LonDen or did you say Land? I didn't say Landon, did I?
No, I don't think you said that. I was in my head preparing what I was going to say, though.
Someone would have said something, right?
Yeah.
Now I'm freaking out. Okay, so LonDen, they look amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for doing that. Courtney loved them. You can
I hope so,
tell.
yeah. They look
Now, give people a brief summary again of all that you did for her.
Okay, so we did a classic natural set. We used 0.15 cc curl. Did from lengths of 9 to 12 as her longest length, just to keep it in a natural range. She wanted to look mascaraed and be a part of the Wake Up Ready crew, so that's what we gave her.
Nice. And then the facial, what was that again?
So the electrolyzed hydrojelly masks.
Yes.
They are awesome. Formulated from algae, naturally hydrating and moisturizing. They cool to a jelly-like texture for an easy no-mess peel-off. Perfect addition for any lashing appointment to just add some hydration and moisture to your skin.
Now, if somebody has any questions about your process that they've seen so far, what's the best way to contact you?
So to contact me, it's best to just reach out via Instagram. You can DM me at LBS Beauty. I'm always available for any questions. Yeah.
And for booking, someone wants to book?
For booking, check us out at BB Lash. We have our own app for booking.
Ooh, nice.
You can book with senior stylist LonDen or Julia or our master stylist Brittany.
Great. Thanks again so much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.